Hi guys, welcome to this small tour. This is the newest train the Kenya Railways has acquired, as opposed to the old model that Kenya Railway was used to. Now this machine, I can say, is pretty looking in the interior compared to the old one. This one seems pretty. Over here we have the basics. This is the radio for communications, and then we have the dials here. We have the dials for speedometer, we have it there. We have the brake pressure meter here. We have the brake control there and the PK over there. And then the control master. Now this is the throttle. When you want to add speed and increase speed and reduce speed, this is what you use. It's called the throttle. Now we have an onboard computer on this one. The old model had to be attached separately from the. It didn't come inmate from the machine, from the locomotive. So this one comes on board the machine, the locomotive now. Now on the other side, we have a similar package. This is because when you're driving backwards, you use this side because the window is there, and when you're driving forwards, you use this side. The keys, you have the keys for sandbox and fuel tank. Now that's the tour, and as you can see, this is a very pretty interior and pass for a good cockpit. Thank you.
Okay.